Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to generate a poem. So now this is the clip champ, and I just first time create this video and generate my photo, and I'm just now generate poem, and then I'm going to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a image, and I'm just create a screen poem. So guys, now I am just log in my YouTube channel, AI image generator and ChatGPT. So guys, now I'm login ChatGPT 3.5. so I'm just updating next time ChatGPT 4. So guys, this is here typing write a poem. So guys, I'm just paste my tagline, write a poem, clone ice cream. Okay, sent. And guys, ChatGPT typing a poem. So guys, I'm just typing 8 line, write a poem again, just 8 lines. I need short poem. Okay, 8 poem. Okay, just ready, and copy this poem and go video editor, and this is I'm just click import my old video. So guys, then I'm just create new video and input file. So guys, I'm just adding short video, and I'm just add record or create. Just click option and write down, scroll down, and text to speech. Just click here. Okay, and I'm delete here. Okay, just text to speech and create audio, text to speech. I'm just adding text, and this is the paste poem. Okay, and save. So now generate text to voice. So guys, my 8 line poem is so big, so now I'm just trim for second, and I'm just typing here. So guys, now I'm export and see the last preview. Okay, so guys, you can listen audio or not, I don't know. So guys, now my video is ready, so I hope you enjoy this video. So please subscribe our channel. So goodbye.